Hi everyone, Ksenia Pro is here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because today we're gonna talk and we're gonna determine if you're ready to raise your prices. So keep on watching. I know raising your pricing and thinking about it could be very scary, right? There's a lot of fear around money and not enough self-worth and self-value in ourselves, unfortunately. That's why I wanna help you, and let's look at the facts and see if you're actually ready to raise your prices. Okay, you ready? Let's dive in. If you think you want to learn more from me, anything that comes to photography, shooting, editing, styling, posing, and also the business of photography, make sure to check out my online course that is called Luxury Maternity Photography Academy. It's designed around maternity photography in mind. However, some of the modules, some of the parts of the course, they're actually going to be useful for any portrait photographer for that matter. So I teach my students everything that I know that I've learned over the course of 12 years of being a photographer, of being a successful photography business owner for the past 6 years, of being a full-time photographer, and now I'm the owner of a multiple six-figure photography business. I have my own studio, and I have a steady stream of high-paying clients. So if you want to learn how I achieved all of this, make sure to join the waitlist for Luxury Maternity Photography Academy. Our next enrollment will open early 2022. All right, ready? Are you ready to raise your prices? I don't know, let's find it out. So, do you make enough money in your photography business to support your lifestyle? Let's start with this, okay? And your photography business may not be your full-time occupation, your full-time job. If you have another full-time job or another income, just figure out what's the portion from the photography business you need to make to supplement the income that you're making in other places so you can support your lifestyle, your family, any other fun things that you want to do in life, because that's the goal, right? You need to be making enough money to actually have the life you've been dreaming about. However, if you are a full-time photographer, let me tell you a secret. Nobody's coming to rescue you. Nobody's gonna give you a 401k. Nobody's gonna give you pay for your vacation time, for your sick days, or anything like that. You're out on your own because you're gonna be self-employed. And you're also liable for more taxes than people who are employed 9-to-5 jobs. So let's have a reality check and see how much money you need to bring from your photography business to cover your personal and business expenses. And this is one of the first assignments that I give to my students inside Luxury Maternity Photography Academy, because this is a major reality check. Sign number 2 that you're ready to raise your pricing, you're just not there yet with your mindset, is if you're fully booked and there's still new inquiries coming in and you can't accommodate them physically. You cannot fit them in your schedule. And sometimes you would have to turn clients away, the clients that seem to be your ideal, your dream client. You've been always waiting for this opportunity, but you're already booked with other jobs and you cannot take this dream client. So I've been to these situations myself multiple times, and I've always been so disappointed when I'm like, oh my God, my schedule is so full, I can't even fit this beautiful, nice person into my schedule. And I think this is the person that I'm designing my business for. Why did I do this to myself? So when the demand for your services surpasses your supply or the time that you have to offer, this is a good sign that your pricing just is not right, just from the economic standpoint. Start raising your prices until you even out supply-demand kind of combination, the balance. Because by raising your prices, you're just evening out the landscape, but also you're creating more time for yourself because you will see less clients by making the same money. Or you can book the same number of clients, but you're gonna make so much more money. So which one do you wanna do? And once your schedule starts to opening up, you'll actually be more flexible when a great opportunity comes last minute. And it could be an amazing portfolio building opportunity as well that you don't want to turn down. Okay, let's move on. If you feel like your photography is better than most of the photographers in your area, yet your prices are either lower or kind of average, that's again a good sign. So you kind of have to look at your market and take the clues from the market and from what other people offer and what they charge. I'm not saying copy other people's pricing. That's not the point. That's probably not going to work for you. but just know what other people charge for the level of photography and the service that they're providing. And you feel like deep inside that you're actually doing a better job than most photographers in your area, then that's a good sign that your prices have to be higher. Another clue, if you want to start offering a luxury experience, but you kind of can't wrap your head around what to charge for this, because obviously I cannot charge $1,000 for a photo shoot, but I kind of want them to have this and that and hair and makeup and a 3-hour photo shoot, and I want them to have amazing experience, have fun, and I want them to have high-end retouched magazine style portraits. That was me 3-4 years ago. I was like, but I can't charge more than $500 for this. But then you start comparing yourself, like I paid for hair and makeup $150 to $200, and now it's even like higher than that sometimes. And I was making $350 per photo shoot, or maybe a little bit more sometimes. But I'm like, they getting paid $150. They just do makeup, walk away. I get paid $350. I find a client, I book a makeup, I plan the shoot, I bring the outfits, I style the shoot, I do the shoot, I edit the shoot, I deliver the shoot, I collect reviews. I do so much more work in the project, yet I'm not getting paid that much more. So again, if you want to offer an amazing luxury experience, it cannot cost the same as the price of a 20-minute photo shoot or a headshot session. So start looking what other people charge for a similar level of service and start getting clues from there. Another place to get clues about how fair your prices are is from your own clients. If you see that your clients keep calling you affordable, yeah, she was amazing, she was so affordable, and her prices are fair, especially look for the word affordable. Like, yeah, that's nice that people actually can afford me, but do I want to be affordable? You have to understand that photography, to begin with, professional photography, is supposed to be a luxury experience, a luxury service. Nobody will die if they don't have a photo shoot. They don't need it to survive. It's not a basic need. It's more like a want. It's a luxury item. So once you understand that, then you can start thinking about your service a little bit differently. And also see how your clients behave when they actually place an order with you or they book a package with you. So see how easy it is for them to upgrade to a different higher package or higher service. If you feel like they're doing it almost like a little bit too easy and too fast, that's great for you, of course. But that means that your prices are kind of too low to begin with. Or you just offer too much for the same price compared to other people in your area, for example. So start noticing trends, open your ears and your eyes and see what people are talking about when they're talking about you and your business, and especially your prices. And that's gonna give you another clue whether or not you're ready to change your prices. There's so many things that I can talk about when it comes to raising your prices, especially raising your prices right. So I do talk about it a lot inside my Luxury Maternity Photography Academy, how I overcame my fears of higher prices, how I figure it out, what to charge, why do I need to charge this much, how to talk about my new prices, and how to not lose all of my clients altogether, because I actually retained most of my clients stayed with me, which was so surprising for me because my pricing went from like $350 to $500 to over $2,000 almost in the course of 12 months. So if you want to learn more from me, first of all, download the checklist. Are you ready to change your prices? Here, I have a link in the description to this video, so that's gonna help you as well. And also join the waitlist for Luxury Maternity Photography Academy, because we're gonna be opening the enrollment early 2022, and you'll love to see you there. As always, if this video was helpful to you, it's probably gonna be helpful for somebody else. So make sure to give me a thumbs up so more people can watch this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you get notified when I post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, work on your photography business.